afternoon, students. Today we are going to hear this new chapter, circles. Circles. In circles, this radius, chord and diameter, center, radius, chord and diameter. Diameter. Firstly, you draw here this one circle. In a circle, this center of the point is called as center of this circle. In the figure, P is, give your name P. P is the center of the circle. M is point on the circle. Then you take it here another point on circle. Suppose M. Segment PM is the radius of the circle. Then you join these 2 points. PM is the radius of the circle. The segment joining the center to any point on which the circle. Radius means P is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. This center of the circle, and on the circle take any point, then these points is joined and to form a radius. PM is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Radius means the segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. A circle has several radii. They are all of the same length. See, this also radius, this also radius, this also radius. Means circle has this several radii. The segment joining any 2 points on a circle. Take 2 points on a circle. Take any 2 points on a circle. Suppose these 2 points on a circle. These 2 points join up and to form a chord. MN is chord of a circle. MN is a chord of a circle. Means the segment joining any 2 points on a circle. The segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called the on a circle. Take any 2 points. These 2 points MN and these 2 points joined and to form a chord. Means the segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called the chord of a circle. In the figure, M and N are the 2 points on the circle. Means segment MN is the chord of a circle. Then this chord passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. One chord is passing through the center of the circle. This center of the circle P. One chord is passing through the center of the circle, and this chord is called as a diameter AB. Otherwise, the line passed through the circle. The line passed through the center of the circle. That line called as a diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of a circle. AB is a diameter of a circle. A chord, it is also chord, biggest chord is a diameter. A chord passing through the center, and it is called as a diameter. In the figure, center P is on the chord AB. P is on the chord AB, and chord AB is also the diameter of the circle. This AB is chord, and this chord is the diameter of the circle because this line passing through the center. Suppose another line passing through the center. This line passing through the center, and give name here RS. RS also diameter of the circle, means the line passing through the center of the circle is called as a diameter. RS also diameter of a circle. The center of the circle given below is O. There are other points and line segments given in the diagram. Find these radius, diameters and chords in the diagram and write their names in the box. See this figure. NM here O, then PS, and here T. Then right here radius. Here several type of radius, therefore radii, plural form of this. See, this OP is radius of the circle, OS also radius, OM also radius, and OT also radius. Then you write here in radii segment OP, segment OS, segment OT, and segment OM. All these are the radius. Then diameters. This line PS passing through the center of the circle, therefore diameters segment PS. Then this also line passing through the center of the circle MT, then segment MT, diameters. Then chords. Here segment NM also chord. Segment NM is a chord. Segment PS and MT also chords. Means this biggest chord is a diameter. Segment PS and segment MT also chords. The next one, drawing a circle. 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 The compass, in the compass box used to draw a circle. All of you have compass box. In your compass box, this compass, it is called as a compass. It is used to draw a circle. One arm of the compass has a metal point. One arm has a, this compass has a metal point, and while the another arm has a holder to fix a pencil. This another is a holder to hold a pencil here, and it is called as a compass. How to draw a circle using a compass? To draw a circle with radius 5 cm. Firstly, you take here in your scale distance for this 5 cm, starting from this 0 up to 5. You draw here one line. This given here question. Firstly question write. To draw a circle with radius. To draw a circle with radius 5 centimeter. With radius 5 centimeter. Firstly, you take here distance in your scale, this 5 centimeter, 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Then first fix a pencil of proper length in the holder. Keep the metal end and the point of the pencil at the same level. Then you keep this metal, you take in your compass here this 5 centimeter distance. Then you keep here this your metal here first point, and you draw here a circle in this type. To draw by using this compass, you draw here one circle of this 5 centimeter. You draw in your notebook this 5 centimeter. You write here this one point P M is equal to 5 centimeter.
तो 5 सेंटीमीटर से इसलिए ये सर
distance. Again one C. Suppose radius is given here 3 centimeter. Radius is given here 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Then firstly in your scale 3 centimeter, take this length of this 3 centimeter. Then in your compass box, this compass box, you take this distance and you draw here, keep here and draw here one circle in this type of this circle, this 3 centimeter, this 3 centimeter. Then write here name, suppose M N 3 centimeter. Then you write in this type MN is equal to 3 centimeter. In homework, all of you complete this problem set 28.